This workflow immediately transforms your WhatsApp business account into an AI-powered customer service agent. When a customer sends a message to your business WhatsApp number, n8n receives it, sends the inquiry to Claude AI, and delivers Claude's crafted response directly back to the customer. This setup helps manage common questions and free up your time for complex issues, providing instant support for your customers around the clock. To build this, you will need a running n8n instance, which can be self-hosted on a server or used via their cloud service. Self-hosting requires some technical knowledge for setup, but offers greater control and can be more cost-effective for high volumes. The n8n cloud service provides a managed solution, simplifying deployment for a monthly subscription fee, which you should verify directly on their website for current pricing. This forms the foundation for connecting WhatsApp and Claude AI. You also need access to the WhatsApp business platform, specifically the Cloud API, which is separate from the standard WhatsApp business app. This requires a verified Facebook Business Manager account and a WhatsApp business account. Messages sent and received through the Cloud API incur per conversation charges, depending on the conversation category, utility, authentication, marketing, or service. Review Meta's current documentation for detailed pricing based on country and message type, as costs can vary significantly. Finally, you'll need an API key for Claude AI from Anthropic. Accessing the Claude API usually involves signing up for their developer platform and may require an application process or being granted access. API usage is charged based on the amount of data processed tokens for both input and output. It is crucial to monitor your token usage and consult Anthropic's official pricing page for the most current costs, as these can impact your operational budget. The input for our workflow is a WhatsApp message received via the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. When a customer sends a message, Meta forwards it to a specific URL you provide, known as a webhook. n8n will listen at this webhook endpoint, automatically triggering the workflow whenever a new message arrives. This real-time reception ensures your AI agent can respond promptly to customer inquiries. In n8n, you start with a webhook node set to respond immediately. Copy the provided test webhook URL, which will be where Meta sends incoming WhatsApp messages. Paste this URL into your WhatsApp business account settings under webhooks and subscribe to the messages event. This step establishes the direct connection, allowing your n8n workflow to receive every new customer message. Next, parse the incoming WhatsApp data to extract the essential information: the customer's message text and their WhatsApp ID. This is typically found within the file body entry 0 changes 0 value messages 0 path of the incoming JSON payload. Using a code node or set node, you can define variables for the sec message text and axisymmetric. This preparation ensures Claude receives a clean, relevant prompt, and we know where to send the reply. Now, add a Claude node to your workflow. In its configuration, select your Claude AI credential, which you'll have set up using your Anthropic API key. Construct a system message to define the AI's role, such as you are a helpful customer service agent for your business name. Then, parse the extracted message text as the user's prompt. This sets the context for Claude and ensures it understands its purpose. Finally, add a WhatsApp node to send Claude's response back to the customer. Connect this node using your WhatsApp Business Cloud API credential. For the recipient, use the full customary extracted earlier, and for the message content, map the output from the Claude AI node, typically found in free data, choices 0, message, content. This completes the communication loop, delivering the AI-generated answer directly to your customer's WhatsApp chat. To test your new AI agent, activate your n8n workflow. Open WhatsApp on your personal phone and send a message to your business WhatsApp number. For example, ask, what are your business hours? Or do you offer delivery? Observe the workflow execution in n8n. You should see the message being processed by Claude, and within seconds, Claude's generated response arriving back in your WhatsApp chat. This confirms the end-to-end functionality. For basic failure handling, consider adding a try-catch block around your Claude AI node. If the AI call fails due to an API error or timeout, the catch path can trigger a fallback action. This might be sending a generic message like, I apologize. I am currently experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later or visit our website. This ensures customers receive some form of communication, even if the AI doesn't respond as expected. While powerful, this AI agent has limitations. Claude AI, like other LMS, can sometimes generate incorrect or hallucinated information. It also lacks memory of past conversations. Within this basic setup, treating each new message as a fresh interaction. Response speed is dependent on API latency and network conditions. For complex, multi-turn conversations or sensitive topics, human intervention remains crucial. Regarding privacy, consider what data you're sending to Claude AI. Anthropic has its own data retention and usage policies, which you should review carefully. Ensure you are not sending any sensitive customer PR without explicit consent or anonymization. For WhatsApp, Meta's policies govern message data, and n8n itself can be configured to store or discard data according to your privacy needs and local regulations like GDP. You've now built a functional WhatsApp AI customer service agent. For your next build, consider enhancing this agent by integrating Google Sheets. You could store a knowledge base in a Google Sheet and have your n8n workflow retrieve relevant information before querying Claude. This allows your AI to provide highly specific, up-to-date answers based on your business's custom data, significantly improving its utility and accuracy.